Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Today we're going to talk about broken refrigerator door handles. So sometimes they don't latch or this piece breaks here. It just really depends on the customer. So these are pretty simple to change out yourself. So it actually just has two Phillips screws in it, one here and one here. And so what you'll do is just kind of pop the refrigerator open a little bit, put your Phillips in there, thread it out. And we'll post links below where you can get new RV refrigerator door handles. So we did launch World of RV Parts recently. We're getting ready to launch everything on the website, but we only sell products that we have in stock, so you won't see thousands of products at first. It'll just be as we grow. So we hope you guys will support us. If not, we'll also post links to our competitors that may have the part. Okay, now as you can see, the door handle is just gonna come right off, okay? So we want to wipe this down, and you don't want to use power tools on this because you can damage it. So we'll grab the new door handle here. And we'll go ahead and clip it in place here. We want to put the side on first and then line it up with the existing holes. And then start to thread your Phillips screw. I put both of them in before I start tightening it. And then we go ahead and just tighten them down. Don't over tighten them because they will strip out pretty easily. You're just going through plastic. We'll tighten her up. Just give her a snug. Go down to the bottom one, do the same thing. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and test her. She's nice and tight, feels sealed. Push the button. Easy peasy. DIY by Joe's RV Tech DIY. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got a refrigerator door handle that's broken and it needs to be replaced, we'll post the links below. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And if you guys do, that helps us create more content. Until next time, thanks for watching and safe travels.